Hey guys, welcome to Not So Nerdy channel. So we are going to understand what a stack is because the next questions are going to based on stacks. So what is a stack? It is a data structure that follows the principle of last in and first out. It is a linear data structure that consists of a collection of elements with two main operations, push and pop. So from the diagram, you can see that you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in your stack. And fourth is your last element that you added and the first one to get out. It's also called the topmost position. Okay. So what are the uses? You use it for function calls and recursion. You use for undo redo functionality, for backtracking algorithms, passing expressions, and much more. So we'll see the uses in the questions later. So what are the main operations? First one is the push. This operation adds the element to the top of the stack. And in Python, we use stack.append and the element to add the element at the top. Next is pop. So this operation removes and returns the topmost element from the stack. So in Python, for that we use pop method. So stack.pop removes and returns the topmost element from the stack called stack. Okay. Next is peek. So this operation returns the topmost element without removing it. Suppose you want to know what is the last or the topmost element of the stack, you use peek operation. So to like in Python, to access the last element, we simply use the index -1. So for example, stack -1 returns the topmost element. Is empty is to check if the stack is empty or not. So in Python, you can use the not keyword to check if a list is empty. For example, not stack returns true if the stack called stack is empty and false otherwise. So if stack is empty, it means that stack would return false and not stack would become true. So that is why it will give the output as empty, otherwise false. So let's try to understand this with an example. You declare your stack using an empty list, say stack equal to square bracket. You push elements onto the stack, stack.append1, stack.append2, and as you can see from the diagram, you have appended the elements. Then to peek the topmost element, you simply use stack -1. The name of the stack is stack, that is why. And then you print it and the output will be 4. For popping, you simply use stack.pop. It will, and when you print it, it will return 4 because you have popped the 4. Now to check if the stack is empty. So if not stack, then it will print that the stack is empty. Means if stack is false, not stack would make it true. And that is why it will print the stack is empty. Now, time complexity. So for time complexity, all the operations have O1 time complexity because we are simply accessing the topmost element. Okay. Great. Yeah, so that was a very short intro to stack, and you can check you can check the usage of it in the next upcoming videos with me. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.